2025 Nissan Leaf Expert Review. Pros: city-friendly size and driving dynamics. Useful driver assist features. Sub-$30,000 starting price. Cons: short range and slow charging. Cheap feeling interior with outdated tech. Next generation model should arrive soon. The Nissan Leaf has played a pivotal role in the popularization of electric vehicles, but it needs a major update if it wants to keep up with the times. Last redesigned for the 2018 model year, the EV hatchback remains an affordable entryway into electric driving. Newer rivals including the Hyundai Ioniq 6 and Chevrolet Equinox EV are more compelling, though. What's new? The 2025 Leaf is unchanged from 2024. The last time Nissan updated the Leaf was for 2023, when it received a revised front fascia, a new 17-inch wheel design, and subtle interior trim changes. What we think? In 2025, it's hard to justify buying a Nissan Leaf. Once a leader among electric cars, the industry has advanced such that the Leaf no longer has competitive standing. Choosing the basic Leaf S could make sense, as it's relatively inexpensive and might suffice as a small local runabout that fits easily in a dense urban landscape. Drivers concerned about range could get the Leaf SV, although there are several competitor EVs that cost about the same price, go farther, drive better, and have more modern features. Although comfortable and decently quick, the Leaf's driving manners leave much to be desired. Its ride is prone to roll and dive, and its handling feels disconnected. The cabin is full of cheap-feeling materials, cramped, and has strange ergonomics. Factor in the Leaf's sorely lacking range and charging capabilities, and it just doesn't really make sense. Better to wait for the next generation Leaf or get a different vehicle entirely. Range, charging, and performance. The 2025 Leaf is offered with two battery options, both of which send electrons to a single electric motor powering the front wheels. A 40 kWh battery pack is equipped in the Leaf S. This entry-level Leaf model has a motor producing 147 HP and 236 lb-ft of torque, which should get the car from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 7.5 seconds. Driving range comes in at just below 150 miles. The Leaf SV Plus upgrades to a 62 kWh battery and a motor producing 214 HP with 250 lb-ft of torque. That drops the 0-60 mph time to about 6.5 seconds, while increasing driving range to slightly more than 210 miles. Charging the 2025 Leaf could cause headaches. For fast charging, it relies on the outdated and uncommon CH8MO plug interface, which can only charge at up to 50 kilowatts. In Motor Trend testing, this took the Leaf SV from 5 to 80% charge, a gain of 135 miles, in 52 minutes. The Leaf also has a J1772 plug, as is common among EVs for at-home charging, but it's slower. Expect a full charge to take the better part of a day. Unlike most new EVs, the 2025 Leaf does not have a CCS plug, which allows for significantly faster charging than CH8MO. New 2026 Nissan Leaf coming? Introduced for 2018, this generation of Nissan Leaf isn't terribly old. Even so, in that time the EV market has advanced significantly, and the Leaf is left behind. Nissan is going in on EVs, having released the Ariya crossover and teased a fleet of upcoming electrified models. One of those models is likely a next-generation Leaf. Potentially previewed by the chill-out concept, the future Leaf could become more SUV-like in appearance while gaining technology and powertrain advancements that make it competitive for the modern era. Expect the new Leaf to arrive for 2026 or 2027. Safety ratings and features. In its most recent safety testing for 2024, the Leaf earned the highest 5-star overall safety score from NHTSA. That combines a 5-star side crash score with 4-star frontal crash and rollover protection scores. In IIHS testing, the 2024 Leaf got the highest good score in the original moderate front overlap test and original side test, and the second best acceptable score in the updated side test. As part of the Nissan Safety Shield 360 suite of driver assist and active safety features, every Leaf includes front and rear automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, rear cross traffic alert, and blind spot monitoring. The SV Plus trim level adds Pro Pilot Assist, Nissan's highway driving assist tech with adaptive cruise control and lane keep assist. Cargo space and interior room. The Leaf is a small car, so it doesn't have a great deal of space inside. Even so, more efficient packaging gives its rivals advantages in passenger and cargo space. Legroom, front/rear. Cargo space, seats up/down. 2025 Nissan Leaf. 42.1/33.5 inches. 23.6/30.0 cubic feet. 2025 Hyundai Kona EV. 41.7/36.4 inches. 25.5/63.7 cubic feet. 2025 Chevrolet Equinox EV. 41.6/38.0 inches. 26.4/57.2 cubic feet. Technology. In addition to a 6.0-inch gauge cluster display, all 2025 Leaf models use an 8.0-inch infotainment touchscreen that has Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity. 4 USB ports are standard. The S trim uses a 4-speaker audio system, while the SV Plus model upgrades to a 6-speaker setup. Other tech enhancements on the Leaf SV Plus include a 360-degree camera, built-in navigation, and app-based remote vehicle monitoring. Leaf SVS. Leaf SV Plus, what's the difference? In entry-level S trim, the Leaf comes with a 40 kWh battery good for about 150 miles of range. It rolls on 16-inch steel wheels with plastic covers and uses old-school halogen headlights. Inside, it has a manually adjustable driver's seat, 4-speaker audio system, and other basics. The 2025 Leaf S goes for just under $29,000. Stepping up to the Leaf SV Plus nets a 62 kWh battery that extends range to approximately 210 miles. The 17-inch wheels it rolls on look rather snazzy, and it uses modern LED headlights. Upgrades to the cabin include a power-adjustable driver's seat, heated front seats, a heated steering wheel, and 6-speaker audio system. More driver assist features are added, as well as conveniences such as heated side mirrors, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, and fog lights. The 2025 Leaf SV Plus costs approximately $37,500. The basic S model is our recommendation in the Leaf range if your budget allows for the Leaf SV Plus, just get a different vehicle. Also keep in mind the 2025 Leaf is not eligible for a federal EV tax credit as of this writing, although 2024 models may still qualify for up to $3,750 LK1. Other compact EVs: Kia EV3, Hyundai Ioniq 6, Hyundai Kona Electric, Chevrolet Equinox EV, Volvo X30.